2025 Chevrolet Equinox, every trim level of GM's affordable new SUV. With 3 trims available for the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox, we take a peek at what separates each one. With a full redesign, the new 2025 Chevrolet Equinox is set to make the General's best-selling SUV a much more athletic-looking vehicle. For now, the Equinox is ICE-powered only, but an all-electric version is set to come later in 2024. With that in mind, let's look at the 3 different trims available on the gas-powered compact SUV that's coming to a dealer near you soon. There's only 3 trims. For those looking for an expanded lineup, you're not going to be pleased with the idea of only 3 trims for the ICE-motivated 2025 Equinox. The LT, Active, and Rs are all you're going to get for Chevrolet's most popular SUV. The great news is that each trim is substantially different from each other and offer 3 different experiences between them. All Equinox trims will get the 175 HP, 1.5-liter turbocharged i4 with a CVT as standard and driving only the front wheels. AWD is available for all trims, and that option increases its towing capacity up to 1,500 pounds, and upgrades the transmission to a more traditional 8-speed automatic. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT trim details. First up is the bare-bones level of Equinox, the LT. It comes with a unique grille and front-end design. Well, a design difference, as the bow tie emblem is in the classic gold treatment, the mustache bar is silver, and the lower grille near the valance is traditional GM. While it is the lowest tier trim, you're still able to get the Equinox LT in a 2-tone, with the roof being a different color from the rest of the body, and you can order one with a panoramic sunroof. 2025 Chevrolet Equinox LT interior. Inside you're going to find cloth seats, but the front seats can get heating along with the steering wheel. The color options for the seating besides the black are Artemis Gray or Black Evotex. You'll also get an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen display. That's paired with a matching 11-inch driver information center, or the instrument panel. You'll also get 5G Wi-Fi, Google built-in, and wireless charging for devices that are capable of that feature. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox Active trim details. For those looking to get out more often is the 2025 Equinox Active trim. Again, the basic design of the 2025 Equinox is there, but gets unique treatment for the Active model. First, it gets the black version of the bow tie. The mustache bar gains wing treatment that follows the body line of the front DRL and turn signals, and the lower grille and valance are unique with black trim climbing to meet the lower half of the grille. You also get an expanded set of black trim that the LT doesn't get. Another change is done to its suspension, wheels, and tires, which all are done to not only give the Active a unique ride but allow it to be more off-road friendly. You won't be hitting the king of the hammers in the 2025 Equinox Active, but you will get a bit more ground clearance and all-terrain tires on 17-inch wheels to kick up the dirt on your local off-road trail. You also get a set of black roof rails to allow more places to store your luggage or gear. 2025 Chevrolet Equinox Active interior. Inside, you get seating that uses Evotex in maple sugar and black microfiber suede materials on its surfaces, and Active is stitched on the headrests. Further refinement on the seats includes orange piping on the shoulders of the seat backs. Even with these materials, the front seats are still heated for comfort from a cold environment. With the Active trim, you get a drive mode selector to change the character of this Equinox to suit the driving environment you're in. For FWD versions, you'll only get normal and snow modes, while AWD gains an off-road mode. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox Rs trim details. If the pavement is more your calling, you'll love the more aggressive looks of the 2025 Equinox Rs. The exterior features Rs only treatment in the grille and front fascia. This includes the black bow tie, body color treatment on the lower valance, and larger openings in front of the front tires. The Rs also gets a black roof as the only 2-tone treatment, where the Active is only white. Interestingly, the LT can get both a white and black roof. The mirrors, emblems, roof rails, and other badging are also exclusively colored in black on the Rs. Finally, you'll get a set of 19-inch wheels as standard or a set 20-inch wheels unique to the trim as an option. 2025 Chevrolet Equinox Rs interior. Inside, you get Evotex seating in black with torch red treatment along the shoulders of the seat backs and Santorini blue contrast stitching. The Rs emblem is embossed on the headrests while the steering wheel changes from a completely round to a flat bottom version only available on the Equinox Rs. Just like the Activ, the Rs gets a drive mode selector and retains the heated seats and steering wheel despite the changes. 2025 Chevy Equinox EV is different. The upcoming Chevy Equinox EV is basically unrelated except for the name and its fundamental sizing and segment. So far, we only know that the Equinox EV will start at around $34,995 for the base 1LT trim, targeting a claimed estimated range of up to 319 miles in certain configurations. Initially, the new Equinox EV 1LT trim was supposed to include at least the option of a white painted roof, with 19-inch wheels, an 11.5 kilowatts level 2 onboard charger that can juice up to 30 miles of range in an hour at home, an 11-inch interior touchscreen dashboard inside, and a standard safety package. Chevy also recently announced that the front-wheel drive Equinox EV2 Rs trim starts at $48,995, and the rear-wheel drive 2 Rs trim would start at $52,395, with an initial range estimate of around 280 to 300 miles. 2 Rs models will be available with up to 21-inch wheels, wiring for 1,500 pounds of towing, and a 17.7-inch interior touchscreen with built-in Google Apps.